In this video, we're going to learn how to find the value of the determinant for a 3 by 3 matrix by expanding either across a row or down a column of the matrix. Our matrix, 6, 2, negative 3 for the first row, second row, 1, negative 5, 4, third row is 1, 3, 1, enclosed in straight brackets, which indicates that we should find the determinant, which is sometimes given by the symbol delta. We expand a row or column by choosing any row or column, multiplying each element within it by its cofactor, and then adding the results. To find the cofactor, A sub I sub j, we note that it is equal to negative 1 to the power of I plus j times m sub I j, where m consists of a specific element in the matrix multiplied by the 2 by 2 determinant that corresponds to it. So let's get started. Looking at our matrix, it looks as though the column 6, 1, 1 would be the easiest to work with. When possible, you want to expand across the row or column, which will provide you with the easiest computations. Any row with a 0 containing a 0, or a column containing a 0, can be a good bet, as the zeros cancel out factors. So let's begin our expansion. Our formula says negative 1 to the I plus j, so we begin by taking negative 1 raised to the power of 1 plus 1, since 6 is in row 1, column 1. We multiply this by the minor of our element, which is the element 6, times the 2 by 2 matrix, negative 5, 4, 3, 1. Plus, now we move down to row 2, column 1, so negative 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 times the element 1 times the matrix 2, negative 3, 3, 1. Plus, now we look at our third element, 1. So the formula says negative 1 to the power of 3 plus 1 times 1 times our determinant, 2, negative 3, negative 5, 4. Working this out, from the beginning, we have negative 1 squared, which gives us 1 times 6. So we have 6 times negative 5 times 1 minus 4 times 3 plus, now moving on to the next term, negative 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 is negative 1 to the third, which gives us negative 1 times our element 1 times the determinant, which gives us 2, 1 minus negative 3, 3. Plus, now moving on to our third term, negative 1 to the 3 plus 1, which is positive 1, times positive 1, times the determinant, which is 2 times 4, minus negative 3, times negative 5. Working it all out, we see that we have 6 times negative 17 minus 1 times 11 plus 1 times negative 7. And this result sums to 120. That's our final result. The key to successfully finding the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix or larger is to keep careful notation and work through the problem one step at a time. This concludes our example. I hope you found it helpful, and we'll see you next time.